Welcome to English News Service. Today's date 19 September, day Sunday. वर्षा ऋतु शुक्ल पक्ष भाद्रपद तिथि चतुर्दशी विक्रम संवत 2078 अकॉर्डिंग टू पूर्णिमठ कैलेंडर उज्जैन. Today's top news. First, Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari said that the government is constructing the world's longest highway, Delhi-Mumbai Express Highway. According to Gadkari, the project will get over by March 2022. Second, Labour and Employment Minister Bhupendra Yadav expressed happiness that in less than a month, over 1 crore people will have registered on the eShram portal. eShram portal. Ministry of Labour and Employment India has started a new portal named eShram portal for the welfare of workers. Candidates who register for eShram will get a unique identification number, UN card. Thus, the CSC NDUW eShram card online registration, online UP, Bihar, MP and Karnataka aspirants can get jobs in future. Fourth, PM Modi held a marathon meeting with the secretaries of central government departments on 18 September Saturday and wondered why the bureaucrats, despite having vision for development, lagged in the execution. Fifth, the Congress Scheduled Caste Department on September 17, 2021 passed a resolution calling for senior leader Rahul Gandhi's appointment as the president of the party. Sonia Gandhi had taken over as interim Congress president after Rahul Gandhi resigned from the top post in the wake of the party's Lok Sabha poll debacle in May 2019. Sixth, Ministry of Civil Aviation increases passenger capacity from 72.5% to 85% amid COVID. Seventh, Assam. The BJP Saturday nominated Union Minister Sarbanand Sonowal and L. Murugan for the Rajya Sabha by-elections from Assam and Madhya Pradesh seats respectively. The Election Commission announced by-polls on October 4 for one seat each in West Bengal, Assam, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh and two in Tamil Nadu. 8. Delhi Metro ropeway link for blue and red lines is the proposed ropeway link between Vaisali Metro Station on the blue line and Mohan Nagar Station on the red line. Has submitted the document to the Ghaziabad Development Authority GDA. The cost of the project has been pegged at rupees 487 crore and it is set to be completed by 2024. Ninth, Karnataka. Karnataka has vaccinated 75% of its eligible population against COVID-19 with the first dose and 24% with the both doses. 10. Kerala. Kerala prepares to reopen schools from November 1st after remaining closed for over 1.5 years amid COVID pandemic. 11. Class 11th exams in Kerala to be held from September 24 to October 18. Adhering to COVID-19 protocol, General Education Minister V. Sivan Kutty said. 12th, Madhya Pradesh. Union Minister Amit Shah releases 5 lakh gas connections for poor families of Madhya Pradesh while he was addressing the inauguration program of the second phase of Ujjwala Yojana in Jabalpur on 18 September. 13th, Manipur. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh launched program for distribution of benefits under the Economic Development Program EDP and Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikas Karyakram PMJVK at Imphal on 18 September. 14th, Maharashtra. Anant Chaturdashi 2021. Mumbai Police on high alert ahead of Ganpati Visarjan on 19 September Sunday. 10th and last day of immersion of Ganesh idol. 15. Nagaland. Nagaland accepts new system of opposition-less government at all party meet. A much-awaited Naga Peace Accord and Naga Peace Settlement. The new nomenclature for having an opposition-less government was approved by way of resolution on 18 September Saturday. 16. Punjab. Captain Amrinder Singh quits as Punjab CM. Accuses Congress party of humiliating him continuously. He has tendered his resignation letters to the Governor of Punjab Banwari Lal Purohit. 17. The Punjab Congress Legislature Party has passed a resolution giving powers to the Congress National President Sonia Gandhi to decide the new Chief Minister for the state. 18. Tamil Nadu. Rabindra Narayan Ravi was on 18 September Saturday sworn in as the Governor of Tamil Nadu, succeeding Banwari Lal Purohit who has since been shifted to Punjab. Rabindra Narayan Ravi, shifted from Nagaland, said he saw his new role more as new opportunity than a challenge. 19th, West Bengal. Former Union Ministry Babul Supriyo joined Trinamool Congress Party in the presence of TMC's National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee. The two-term MP Babul Supriyo had unsuccessfully contested the 2021 West Bengal Assembly elections as a BJP candidate from Toligunj constituency. He was stripped of his ministry during the last cabinet reshuffle. 20th Bollywood. The CBDT on 18 September Saturday alleged that actor Sonu Sood and his associate evaded tax of rupees 20 crore and claimed that after the income tax department raided him and a linked Lucknow-based infrastructure group, it was found that he routed his unaccounted income in the form of bogus unsecured loans from many bogus entities. It also accused Sood of violating the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act FCRA while raising donations from abroad. Now defense news. 21st, Chief of Defense Staff General Bipin Rawat has said that India is looking at creating a rocket force as part of efforts to step up on enhancing its military capabilities, alluding to hostile moves by India's northern neighbor. 22. India's command structure of Theatre Command. Chief of Defense Staff CDS General Bipin Rawat formally outlined the structure of India's Theatre Commands TCs. The existing 17 single service commands will be integrated into 4 geographical commands, each with elements from all 3 services. Army taps Bengaluru based firm for specialized sites in use with forces abroad. The Army has placed orders with an Indian firm for specialized sites under emergency procurement to help some of its elite units operating in both urban warfare and at the border. 24. 460 youth from Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh joined elite JAK LI Infantry of Indian Army. 460 passing out young soldiers from the Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh at JAK LI Training Camp, Tansal District, Jammu. The attestation parade was revived by Lieutenant General M.K. Das, Commandant OTA Chennai. International news. The National Investigation Agency NIA said that it has probed as many as 37 cases of terror attacks associated with the Islamic State IS so far, with the most recent being registered by the agency in June 2021. Second, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar discussed recent development in the Indo-Pacific and Afghanistan with French Foreign Minister Jean-Yves Le Drian. Third, Foreign Affairs Minister of Saudi Arabia Prince Faisal bin Farhan Al Saud to arrive in New Delhi, dealing with the new Taliban government and bolstering bilateral energy ties with India are going to be topmost agenda items for Saudi Arabia's Minister for Foreign Affairs, Prince Faisal bin Farhan bin Abdullah Al Saud, who arrives in New Delhi on a two-day visit on 18 September, Saturday. Fourth, Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar participated in the G20 agriculture ministerial meeting organized by Italy on 18 September, which holds the presidency of G20. Fifth, the global community must ensure Afghan soil is not used for terrorism, PM Modi said at SCO CSTO meet. Sixth, India's Directorate General of Civil Aviation DGCA certified executive jet MRO services in Dubai to carry out line and heavy maintenance on various types of Indian registered Dassault Falcon business jet. 7. Dynamatic Technologies has been awarded a contract for manufacturing assemblies for Boeing's newest tactical fighter F-15EX Eagle II. This is the first where aero structures for the latest and most advanced F-15EX Eagle II will be made in India. World news. Russia is holding elections to the State Duma, the lower house of parliament, from 24 September Friday. The voting will take place till 26 September Sunday over a 3-day period due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Second, US and the UK and Australia, UK, US, UK, US. The big news of this week is the formation of a new military alliance of Australia, the UK and the US, UK, US. With this new alliance, the first major initiative is helping Australia in building nuclear-powered submarines for its navy. Third, the UN Security Council UNSC unanimously approved a resolution on 17 September saying that Afghanistan's new Taliban rulers need to establish an inclusive government that has the full, equal and meaningful participation of women and upholds the human rights. Sports. Rohan Bopanna and Ramkumar Ramanathan blew their chances in the must-win doubles match as India lost the World Group First tie 1-3 to host Finland in the Davis Cup here on 18 September, Saturday in Finland. Second, the Davis Cup is the premier international team event in men's tennis. It is run by the International Tennis Federation (ITF) and is contested annually between teams from competing countries in a knockout format. Third, Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha honors Paralympics participants Rakesh Kumar and Jyoti Baliyan. He lauded the efforts of the Paralympics participants and wished them success in the upcoming event. Other news: US dollar 73.70, British pound sterling 101.26, Sudan, the capital of Sudan is Khartoum. 1 Sudanese pound is equal to 0.17 Indian rupee. 1 US dollar is equal to 7.441 SDG, 7441 SDG means Sudanese pound sterling. PM of Sudan Abdullah Hamdok. Gold, 1 gram gold in Sudan, it is of 24,877.30 SDG, means that rupees 4,184.40 at 24 carat. Sudan gasoline prices: petrol SDG 320 per liter, diesel SDG 305 per liter. BSE Sensex 59,015.89, Nifty 17,585.15. Facts about India. ISRO. India decided to go to space when Indian National Committee for Space Research (INCO-SPAR) was set up by the Government of India in 1962. ISRO, India's space research and organization. It was founded by Vikram Sarabhai, founded on 15th August 1969. Headquarter is Bengaluru. Present administrator or director is K. Sivan. Thought of the day: everything has beauty, but not everyone can see. Joke of the day: an intelligent student. Teacher: what do you call a person who cannot hear anything? Student: you can call him anything because he cannot hear anything. Why? Why do snakes not die from their own venom? There are two reasons why snakes don't die from their own venom. Just like humans have special cells in their bodies called immune cells that fight diseases that get into the blood system, snakes have special immune cells that can fight their own venom and protect them from it if it gets into their own blood. Snakes cannot kill themselves with their own venom. They can, however, die from their physical injuries of the bite itself. Also, while they are immune to their own venom, specimens from the same species could have slightly different venom compositions and kill each other. The pharmacological effects of snake venoms are classified into three main types: hemotoxic, neurotoxic, and cytotoxic. Note: snakes are more likely to bite when harassed. The best ways to keep snakes away: if snakes seem to always find their way into your yard, keep them away with ammonia. Snakes hate the smell and won't come near it. Soak racks in ammonia and place them in unsealed plastic bags. Leave the plastic bags where you usually see the snakes and they won't come back again. Learn Sanskrit. Sankat, crisis. Jataram puriye dhar dham anahi. Fill your stomach half with solid, a quarter with water, and rest leave it empty for your healthy digestion. How? How do chameleons change colors? Chameleons are famous for their quick color changing abilities. It's a common misperception that they do this to camouflage themselves against a background. In fact, chameleons mostly change color to regulate their temperatures or to signal their intentions to other chameleons. Normally, the pigments are locked away inside tiny sacs within the cells. But when a chameleon experiences changes in body temperature or mood, its nervous system tells specific chromatophores to expand or contract. This changes the color of the cell. Now about Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, Level 1 report of 13 October 2015 at 15 o'clock. There are explosions on the sun. These explosions send particles into space. These particles move towards the earth. How Northern Lights are formed? There are explosions on the sun. These explosions send particles into space. These particles move towards the earth. The particles enter the atmosphere. They hit the air. When they hit the air, they make light. These lights are then called Northern Light. You can see the Northern Lights in Scandinavia, Greenland, Alaska, Canada, and Russia. Sometimes you can see them in other places too, like people in Minnesota can see them. Difficult words. Particle means a very small piece of something. Earth is our planet, atmosphere, all of the air around the earth. GK today, famous books and their authors. Panchatantra Vishnu Sharma, Mudra Raksha Visakh Datta, Raghuvansam Kalidas, Kama Sutra Malang Vatsayan, Arthashastra Kautil, tallest road. Very important GK. For present time, tallest road is Khardungla Pass, Leh Manali, India. Born today, Kalpana Karthik, born as Mona Singh, 19 September 1931, is a retired Hindi film actress. She starred in 6 films in the 1950s. She is the widow of Hindi film actor and filmmaker late Dev Anand, and Mona Singh was a beauty queen while studying at St. Bede's College, Simla. Idioms and phrases: scrap the barrel, making the most of the worst situation or things because you cannot do anything about it. Example: we used to get hundreds of qualified candidates, but lately I feel like we have been scrapping the barrel with the applicants we bring in. So scrapping the barrel means making the most of the worst situation or things because you cannot do anything. Example is, we used to get hundreds of qualified candidates, but lately I feel like we have been scrapping the barrel with the applicants we bring in. Vedic Gyan, kindly inform if given information vary from factual facts. Gayatri Devi, goddess, is also known as Savitri and Ved Mata, mother of Vedas. Gayatri is often associated with Savitri, a solar deity in the Vedas. Saivite texts identify Mahagayatri as the consort of Shiva in his highest form of Sadasiv with 5 heads and 10 hands, and according to other texts like Skand Puran, Gayatri is the name of the consort of Lord Brahma. Gayatri Devi is an incarnation of Saraswati Devi, consort of Lord Brahma, symbolizing the Shakti, strength, and Dev, quality of knowledge, purity, and virtue. Saraswati Devi is held to be the patroness of the arts, being a poet and musician as well as a skillful composer. In the form of Gayatri Devi, with the blessings of Lord Brahma, she is believed to have given the 4 Vedas to mankind. Healthcare home remedies. Note, these home tips are followed in villages or ancient traditions. It is up to you to use it or not. Black pepper, Kali Mirch, also known as the king of spices, that has a lot of health benefits, and a major benefits of consuming pepper is that it aids in weight loss. It is also said to be good for digestion and prevents cancer by detoxifying the body. When this spice is added to the food, it makes your food taste better and spicier. It helps in losing weight, it helps in detoxifying your body, it prevents cancer, it cleanses your intestines and stomach. It consists of potassium that helps in regulating heart rate and high blood pressure. It helps in producing red blood cells. It is rich in vitamin B and produces calcium, which prevents constipation. It prevents skin deformation and wrinkles. Regards, C.H. Naveen Kumar from Subodhya News. Annadhanam param dhanam vidyadanam atah param. Annen क्षणिका तृप्ति याव जीवनचम विद्याया. Providing food to poor and needy person is the best charitable deed, but making people learn by teaching them is the supreme form of charity. Food gives momentary satisfaction, but the knowledge will empower them to lead a satisfactory life. I hope guys you have liked this. Then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching English News Service.